Abigail Beroy. Antonio Blake.
Today marks a significant milestone as I stand here at my 8th grade promotion. This year has been transformative, filled with challenges that have helped me grow and learn more about myself. From navigating new friendships to conquering academic hurdles, each experience has shaped me in profound ways. As I look ahead to the next chapter of my life, I feel a mix of excitement and anticipation. High school holds a world of possibilities, and I am eager to embrace all that it offers. I am confident that the experiences and lessons from middle school have prepared me well for the journey ahead. I am grateful for the unwavering support and guidance of my teachers, friends, and family. Your belief in me has been a driving force, pushing me to strive for excellence and reach for the stars. Thank you for all being a part of my story and for shaping me into the person I am today. Here's to new beginnings, endless possibilities, and the bright future that lies ahead.